find your Ikigai. By working on it, you can achieve an irreplaceable position. Even the technology cannot replace you. Friends, in Japan, there is an island called as Okinawa. In Okinawa, you will find most of the people will live 100 years of age. Even 80 to 90 years of age, they do their own work. They never get retired. In Okinawa Island, you will find most of the people are very happy, healthy, and peaceful life. The reason is there, and that the reason is this Ikigai. That is the reason for living a life. In Japan, people believe if we are in this universe, we all have purpose in our life. If you are not having your purpose in life, then you will not enjoy your work. You will always be stressful. Even you will be in search of finding your purpose. But one good point is, sitting at any corner of this universe, if you are applying this Japanese formula, that is Ikigai, the purpose of your life, if you are having, then you can have a very happy and peaceful life. Let me give you some more examples for better clarity. When we are completing our school or colleges, the most important decision we have to take, that is what we will do after completing our education. That is the most important decision. So some people will tell you, do what you are good at, do something that you love to do something that you can earn more amount of money, do something that the world needs. So this kind of suggestion you will receive. People will give you advice, but that is the wrong advice. Ikigai is the component of all those four things. Do something what you are good at, what you love to do, what people will pay you, and what the world needs. Now the question comes to find out your passion. People will say, find out your passion. But finding your passion is not enough. Until you are having remaining three components, you will not have your Ikigai. For example, if you are good in blogging, right? You do hard work, you have done blogging. People will read, they'll learn something from you, and when they start learning, when the world starts learning from you, they are ready to pay you. And that blogging is your Ikigai. So Ikigai is all about four components. That is your passion, your profession, your vocation, and your mission. When you have this four purpose in your life, you are having a very happy and peaceful life. One more example I would like to give you about Sachin Tendulkar. We all know he loves to play cricket. By practicing, he has become a good cricketer, and by playing cricket, he earns money and the world needs his batting. So this is his Ikigai. Sachin Tendulkar Ikigai is cricket. So if you go into deep, you will find as topmost personalities, topmost icon, they already find their Ikigai, and that is the reason they have achieved to the topmost level. When you find your Ikigai, you will see there is a flow of state in your work, and that is the personality of genius and intelligent person. One more example I would like to give you, and that is about Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple. He visited to Japan in 1980, and he liked the work of the workers and engineers there, and he has implemented the view of the work process of Sony, and from there he learned about uniform, how making a uniform in a company is mandatory. That he learns from Japan. You must be knowing Mark Count. He is the only painter. He is the only painter of royal stones who draw a line with his hand, and because of it, because he find his Ikigai, no one can replace. Even the technology cannot replace him. So Ikigai is all about finding it out. When you find, you work on it, no one can replace you, even not the technology. So friends, you initially will not find your Ikigai. First, you have to find your intuition. You have to be curious. You have to ask questions to yourself. The moment you find your Ikigai, you find the purpose in your life. So this book, this book, Ikigai, the author has clearly mentioned the purpose, the reason of his life. This is my review. Definitely, I would say once you should read this book to find your Ikigai. And signing out, Ruchi, under the Midtext.